Okay, I've lost track of what day we're on. Um, 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks, I don't know. Got about half the roof on. This side has roofing, the other side does not, but they're working on it now. Once the roof is on, they're going to start doing the floor, I think, and finish off the walls. We'll walk around, see what we can see. Yeah, there's a gap right there. I'm not sure if they're going to close that. You get more bugs and mice if it's open, but you also get more airflow if it's open. If they close that off, I'm not sure how that would go. I think it should be closed off. That's negotiable. I don't know what their plan is, but it's just a wood frame for the roof. It's got the painted metal, real streaky paint. I'd have put another coat on, but I'm not doing it, so I'm not going to complain. I'm really just letting them do it. So I'm going to say hello. Say hello. You're just going to wave? You're going to say hello. Okay. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, you got to put your fingers up like that. So we're sifting our sand before we bake our bread. So, yeah, you can see there, we got roof there, we don't have roof there. Bathroom walls are almost done. We'll go inside in a second and see how that looks. We'll go now. The floor is not quite finished yet, as you can see. Yeah, I mean it's small but serviceable. They're gonna, like I said, they'll finish out the walls. Oh, see, that doesn't look too bad where they smooth that part out already. See, that's what it's gonna look like. But they haven't put the wiring in yet. They should probably do that before they get too involved in smoothing it out. But I'm glad they did that, so we can see what it's gonna look like. It's gonna be like that inside and out. It's dry. That part needs to be smoothed out. We have, of course, proper scaffolding. You know, safety first, right? So, yeah, I think this will be all right. Small, but it'll be all right. We'll see. More house coming soon. Okay. Not sure how clear this will be. The sun seems to be working against us. It's in my eyes so bad I can't see. So, not sure if it's filming much or not. I was just going to show, I don't know if you can see, they've got a string run across where the edge of the roof is going to go, and they're lining it up with the string so they can nail it in place and it keeps everything straight. Not a bad idea. It's getting pretty hot out. I would imagine that the roofing is going to get pretty hot pretty fast. And then you got these people in here. Say hello.
Hello. We're eating fish.
Eating fish. How exciting. Okay. Baka baka what?
Did you measure already the CR?
No. I have to find a tape measure because I did not bring mine with me.
Borrow there.
But she measured it
Borrow
already.
there. No, that's wrong. You didn't know that that's the CR of the wall?
Yeah?
Yeah,
Oh,
it's wrong. So
okay.
borrow the
Okay, we'll do that now.
borrow their measurement.
Tell YouTube goodbye.
Huh?
Say bye to YouTube.
Bye.
Okay.